COP30 countdown, hotel crunch and unfinished pledges complicate Brazil summit's final stretch. With COP30 due to open in Belém, Brazil, logistical strain is colliding with an unfinished policy agenda. Delegations report soaring hotel prices and limited rooms. Some countries are weighing reduced teams or remote support to cut costs. On substance, hosts have pushed capitals to finalize new or strengthened climate pledges, while leaked drafts show EU states still haggling over targets and biofuel language. Campaigners warn that without credible 2030 pathways and finance for adaptation, the summit risks codifying incrementalism. Optimists see room for a breakthrough on renewables deployment and deforestation finance. Brazil's presidency is leaning into Amazon protection as a diplomatic anchor, but negotiators say trust will hinge on clear delivery mechanisms and verification. Whether COP30 lands a text that accelerates the transition or merely tidies up old promises may depend on last-minute compromises between major emitters and vulnerable states balancing development with decarbonization.